Are you wanting to record or podcast right here from your office or studio? Man, if it's a beautiful day and you wanted to come outside and you want to podcast outside, what if you want to record from a laptop or do a podcast from your living room? You can do all that with a brand new Maono PD200W wireless dynamic microphone, the first wireless microphone. So in the box, you get a user manual. So you get a few accessories, pretty long USB-C to USB-A. Then you get the mic itself is XLR, USB-C, and wireless. You got your RGB mode on here. This one is black. There is the capsule. Very, very light, built-in shock mount, which is really nice to see. Nice built-in shock mount. Okay, so when you're in USB mode or wireless mode, you do have an app right here that you can go through. You can go in here and you can set up different things, as in add reverb, take some reverb off, change to podcasting, change your EQ, just so many settings within their app. You can download the app for your phone and for your PC. Okay, so in this video here, we're going over the Maono PD200WT, which is what you're hearing me on right now, and I am running wirelessly right now. I will be going through the XLR and the USB-C as well. So right now you are hearing me coming through the Maono PD200WT through the USB. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter went down to the pond, pick up Jill to pick some peppers. How does it sound? How do you think this mic sounds? I'm not very close to the microphone. It is at a small angle. How does this sound? Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so lastly on the mic check list, this is XLR. I am running through the XLR right now, through an XLR interface. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a pepper. Peter went down to the pond, pick up Jill to pick some peppers. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go collect all the information that I have so far, all the videos I've done, and I'm going to see what it sounds like. I have not heard nothing what this thing sounds like. So let me go see what it sounds like. So the first thing I'm going to say is the audio in this is really, really crisp, clean. It's like on point. I mean, it sounds really good. You do not have to have this thing like shoved up to your mouth right here. You literally can keep it back. I mean, you have so much sitting here, and the ability to go wireless, XLR, USB, is very a versatile microphone. So like me on the gimbal, I have a cold shoe adapter for the microphone, and I can actually put this on my camera and my gimbal, and I can go do a vlog on my camera with this right here instead of having a DJI mic or whatever. And I think this sounds 100 times better. Like 100%, I think it sounds 100 times better. And it's going to be because of how the microphone is and how it processes. But also to go into the app, you can adjust your basses, your highs, your mids, everything in that app. And again, it's right there on your phone. Hit it and forget it. You know, set it up. Set it how you want to set it. That is really, really nice. 100%. I've been playing around with it for about 2 weeks now, and I mean, I'm loving everything about it. I've tested quite a few microphones, and not too many like shocked me, like fully shocked me. This one actually has 100% shocked me. So yeah, all in all, really, really good microphone. The feature rich is there. The wireless being the first dynamic wireless microphone, that's just crazy. So the only draw that I have on anything is the noise cancellation. So normal noise cancellation is fine, but once you go to mid and aggressive, it kind of like pulls out. It's hearing the other noise, and it's like it's trying to block it, but it also takes a little bit out of my voice. So me personally, I'll stick with just one noise cancellation or no noise cancellation. That's just me though. But yeah, as always, hopefully this helped your buying decision, because sometimes we need help with our buying decisions.